I will definitely be vlogging the whole of today. My mom's currently making moi moi in the kitchen and it smells so nice. I can't wait. Mama in the kitchen cooking rice. Mommy, did you boil the egg?
Yes.
Okay.
I use unboiled milk. So I put the egg to here. Then this one now, I'm going to slide it.
Okay.
Is moi moi in Nigerian food, or do we have countries that make moi moi as well? Anyway, this is how I make mine. I washed my beans, put in my bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onions, blended it until it was very smooth. I put in my crayfish. I'm always very generous with crayfish. Went ahead to put in chicken seasoning. I mixed that together thoroughly. Growing up, we ate moi moi in my house every Saturdays, and I always look forward to it. I'm always with my bread and excited to eat moi moi. Sometimes I use curry. I put in water so I have the texture I want. Put in more onions. I mix that together. I was using eggs and corned beef. I don't eat fish at all, so I prefer to use eggs and corned beef. It was time to fill up my ramekins. I love to use ramekins because I do not know how to use the leaf, but I'll rather prefer using the leaf. But because I don't know how to do it, I'll rather just use ramekins. I put them in pots. I shouldn't have filled it to the brim, but I did, and it was exploding already, but it still looked good. I tasted it and it tasted so nice. That's it, guys. Bye.